So Ghana's car manufacturing sector is accelerating towards an era of extra growth, with expansion fueled by strategic and innovative applications of technology in automotive production. A £12 million investment in Cresta Paint is adding another immense layer of genuine local production, with this initiative supported through the UK-funded Jobs and Economic Transformation Project, which is JET for short. To get the in-depth information of this project and how it expands Ghana's automotive sector, be sure to stick to this video to the end. This £12 million partnership is set to transform the automotive refinish subsector and drive Ghana's emergence as a key player in the global automotive industry, not just in vehicle assembly itself. With over £60 million already leveraged in auto assembly, Ghana is rapidly expanding its downstream opportunities, such as auto refinish products and components manufacturing. The automotive industry is projected to grow to an impressive $11 billion by 2028, making it a cornerstone of industrial development and job creation. The partnership between GET and Uhuru Investment Partners has positioned Cresta Paints as a leader in the automotive finish segment across West Africa. For many confused about what Cresta Paints will exactly do, the company will play a key role in supporting Ghana's growing automotive sector by producing specialized paints and coatings used for vehicle repairs and refinishing. By supplying auto refinish products locally, instead of relying on imported paints for car bodies and repairs, Cresta Paints will manufacture these products locally. That means Ghana will produce its own high-quality paints. This makes the process cheaper and more accessible for auto repair shops and businesses in Ghana. It will also support Ghana's auto assembly plants. As Ghana's car manufacturing industry grows, assembly plants will need reliable local suppliers for things like paints and coatings. Cresta Paint will help meet these demands. It will also create jobs, and it will boost exports. By producing the high quality paints locally, Cresta Paints can also export to other African countries, positioning Ghana as a regional hub for automotive supplies. And this is very vital to aid Ghana's car manufacturing industry, as the cars, when assembled, will still need finishing with high quality paints, which are usually imported. But with this, everything can be produced locally. With technical assistance provided by GET, Uhuru accelerated its investment in Cresta, ensuring that the company can scale production and access new markets. Cresta Paints, already active in 12 West African markets, is expanding its presence in Ghana to enhance production capabilities, currently employing 140 staff, many of whom are young Ghanaians receiving technical training. The company's expansion will create an additional 250 formal, high-quality jobs. Beyond employment, the company aims to boost exports and reduce the country's reliance on imported auto-finished products. As Ghana's automotive assembly sector evolves, downstream suppliers like Cresta Paints play a crucial role in localizing production. Cresta's enhanced capacity will support the industry's transition towards sourcing more components domestically, reducing dependency on imports while catering to the underserved local market. This initiative aligns with Ghana's broader industrialization strategy, underpinned by the Agenda 111 vision. By integrating local suppliers with automotive value chain, the country is creating an ecosystem that fosters innovation, enhances competitiveness, and drives sustainable industrial growth. The GET program, funded by the UK Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office and implemented by the Palladium Group, plays a pivotal role in this transformation. Designed to accelerate manufacturing investments in priority sectors, including automotive, JET strengthens Ghana's competitiveness while supporting policy reforms and investment promotion efforts. FCDO Development Director praised the initiative. The UK is delighted with this investment. Through British International Investment and the GET program, we are catalyzing industrialization in Ghana, creating sustainable jobs and supporting economic transformation. This is precisely the type of partnerships that can make Ghana a thriving investment-ready automotive hub. The partnership between GET and Uhuru highlights the strategic collaboration needed to elevate Ghana's automotive sector. Nana Adodankwa, partner at Uhuru Investment Partners, underscores this synergy. At Uhuru, we are passionate about driving impactful growth. With the GET support, we have been able to scale Cresta Paints, enhancing its manufacturing capacity, fostering innovation, and creating sustainable job opportunities in Ghana. Cresta Paints is now set to play an integral role in linking smaller manufacturers with major original equipment manufacturers in Ghana's automotive industry. This connection promises to deepen the integration of local players into supply chains, strengthening Ghana's position as a competitive automotive manufacturing hub. The success of Cresta Paints initiative exemplifies how public-private partnerships can catalyze economic development. By combining financial investment with technical assistance, the GET program has not only revitalized Cresta Paints but also provided a roadmap for scaling other businesses in the automotive and manufacturing sectors. The downstream growth driven by Cresta will have ripple effects on Ghana's economy, from increasing export capacity to promoting import substitutions. The project underscores the potential of targeted investment in key industrial sectors. This expansion is set to deliver significant economic growth while addressing sustainable development goals such as decent work, industrial innovation, and reduced inequality. As the automotive industry in Ghana gears up for its projected $11 billion valuation by 2028, initiatives like the JET program and investments in Cresta Paints are crucial to sustaining this momentum. The integration of local suppliers into the automotive value chain ensures not only economic growth but also resilience against global supply chain disruptions. The UK's continued support through programs like the GET position Ghana to capitalize on emerging opportunities in component manufacturing, research and development, and sustainable automotive practices. By prioritizing these areas, Ghana is paving the way for a future where its automotive sector is not just a regional leader but a global leader. Ghana's car manufacturing sector is expanding at unprecedented pace, with strategic investment and partnerships driving industrial transformation. Cresta Paints' growth, supported by the GET and Uhuru investment partners, is a testament to what we can achieve when innovation meets opportunity. As the sector grows, it brings with it its jobs, skills development, and economic empowerment for Ghanaians. More importantly, it positions the country as a competitive hub for automotive manufacturing in Africa. With the foundation firmly laid, the rapid expansion of Ghana's car manufacturing sector is not just a milestone, but a promise of even greater achievements to come. Let me know your thoughts about the investment in Cresta Paints and how it is expanding the automotive sector in Ghana. If you like contents like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out this video next on other amazing projects happening right here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.